Hi everyone. Today we're going to study angle between two lines whose slopes are given. Let two lines intersect at point A as described. Here we have two lines intersecting at a point, and this is the point A. Let us assign this first line to be L sub 1, and the slope is m sub 1. The second line is here. Let this be L sub 2, whose slope is m sub 2. Now we are going to look for an angle theta. Take note, this theta is generated on a counterclockwise direction. So we have this formula now, that tangent theta equals m sub 2 minus m sub 1 all over 1 plus the product of m sub 1 and m sub 2. Always remember, the L1 is the initial side and the L2 is the terminal side. Let us see this example. Find angle A of the triangle whose vertices are A, 0, 0, that is the origin, B, 3, 1, and C, 2, negative 2. For our solution, first we will draw the triangle. Here is our triangle. The first point A is 0, 0 is here. The second point B, 3, 1 is here. And the point C, 2, negative 2 is here. We are looking for this angle here that is generated counterclockwise based on our formula later. It means to say, the slope of this side AB, that will be our m sub 2, and the slope of this side AC, that will be our m sub 1. Again, it means to say, our side AC is our initial side, and the side AB, that is the terminal side. Now, given the points, we can compute for the respective slopes using our formula here. Let us begin with solving for m sub 2. So this is equal to 1 minus 0 all over 3 minus 0. Simplifying further, 1 minus 0 is simply 1 over 3 minus 0 is 3. So m sub 2 equals 1/3. Let us now solve for m sub 1. So we have here negative 2 minus 0 over 2 minus 0. Simplifying further, negative 2 over 2 minus 0 is simply 2. This negative 2 over 2 is negative 1. So our m sub 1 is negative 1. Let us write the respective slopes m sub 2 and m sub 1 values in here. Let us clear this area because we're going to compute now for angle A. The formula is here. Let us do the substitution now. So tangent A equals m sub 2 is 1/3 minus m sub 1, and that is negative 1, all over, 1 is a constant, we will copy here, plus the product of m sub 1 is negative 1 times m sub 2, which is 1/3. Simplifying further, this minus and negative will be positive, so 1/3 plus 1 in the numerator. In the denominator, we will multiply this negative 1 and 1/3, and the answer is negative 1/3. Simplifying further, the numerator 1/3 plus 1 becomes 4/3, and in the denominator 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3. For this complex fraction, we may write this to be 4/3 times 3/2. And then let us cancel this 3 and the 3 in the denominator. Then let us divide 4 by 2. The answer is 2. This is our tangent A. Now, to solve for the angle A, we will use the inverse tangent of 2. And using our calculator, the answer is 63.4 degrees. This is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.